Welcome. If you're tired of hearing the same Snapchat notification sound and want something unique to catch your attention, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the updated steps to change your Snapchat notification sound, specifically for the miscellaneous category. Let's get started and add some personality to your notifications. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone settings. This is the control center where you can customize almost everything about your device, including your app notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Find Snapchat in the list, either by scrolling or using the search feature, and tap on it to open Snapchat's app settings. Inside the Snapchat settings, look for Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune all the ways Snapchat grabs your attention. Tap on Notifications to dive deeper into all the available options. Now you'll see various notification categories set up for Snapchat. We're going to focus on the Notification Categories section. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories to display the full list. From the list of categories, find and tap on Miscellaneous. The Miscellaneous category refers to those extra notifications from Snapchat that don't fit into other specific groups. If you often miss these subtle alerts, it's time to give them a sound that really stands out. Next, tap on Sound. Here, you'll see all your available notification sounds. Take your time scrolling through and listen to a few options. Once you find a sound you like, tap on it to select it as your new miscellaneous notification sound for Snapchat. That's it. You've just personalized your Snapchat notification sound from the miscellaneous category. Now, the next time you get a notification that falls under this category, it'll have your chosen alert, making sure you never miss anything important. If you found this guide helpful, consider customizing other notifications for your favorite apps so your phone truly feels like yours. Thanks for tuning in.